Guys, ito pa. The Queen is singing the national anthem of the Philippines. It feels like she won a gold medal at the Olympics, but she really won the first golden crown of the Philippines. Miss Grand International 2024 Christine Julian Ofiasa singing the national anthem of the Philippines, Lupang Hinirang, after she was crowned as Miss Grand International 2024. Tara, panoorin natin to guys. Na-excite ako. Okay, bilang tayo guys ng 3, 2, 1. Wait lang. Excited ako. So, ito na.
Wikifia, the National Director of Miss Grand Philippines, on the stage. Ladies
Gumawa
and
ng
gentlemen, at
history
this
si
moment,
CJ,
we
no?
kindly to ask everyone to please rise to honor the national anthem
Of the
of the
Philippines. Oh my
Philippines.
goodness. Kinikilabutan ako guys, ha? Wow.
And once again, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Grand International 2024, Christine
Julian
Julian Opiesa
Apieza
from the
from the Philippines.
Philippines.
Hey, congratulations CJ. Grabe, no?
And this
Grabe, nakakakilabot yun, no? Nakakakilabot yung pag-awit ng Lupang Hinirang. Tapos sa pa sa crowning ceremony pa para sa Miss Grand International 2024 na si CJ. Grabe, iba. Ibang dating, no? Sobrang nakaka-proud, nakakakilabot. Wow.